let us look at machine learning. Okay. Now, when we say whenever we talk about AI, we end up talking about machine learning. So, machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay, it is a process in which machines are fed with data and instructions. So these are the most of you know some or the other programming language, and you would know that we need to feed in data and instructions to the computers. So machine learning is nothing but feeding machines with data and instructions. Now they might be given in any programming language. These data and instructions then continuously, I would say, develop in algorithms that they have been programmed with. The more data is fed into the machines, the more accurately they can process similar information in future, which results in sophisticated algorithms. So what happens is, when more and more data is given to the machine, it keeps evolving its algorithms, and it keeps on becoming more and more powerful. Let us take one very small example, which I thought I'll put in the presentation. Just imagine or just consider that you have a digital photo album containing maybe thousands or hundreds of pictures of various animals and birds. Now, the animals and birds contained in the album are of different types, colors, and species, right? Uh, Now, suppose you have been asked to isolate the pictures of birds from those images, right? If you use a standard computer program, you will have to write a program that tells the computer the exact characteristics of a particular type of bird. Once the computer is loaded with such a program, what it will do is it will analyze each and every picture. It will compare the mentioned characteristics with the images, each and every image in the album, and identify the picture matching the description. So this is conventional way of writing a program, how it was done in olden days. So for instance, a large bird with a blue neck, with green tail feathers and tuft of feathers on the head will essentially be a peacock, or potentially, not essentially, potentially mean a peacock. This means that a different algorithm or program will have to be created for every different picture. Now, this will be highly impractical and cumbersome technique, isn't it? I mean, writing features, I might as well sit and segregate all those myself, right? However, what happens with machine learning in artificial intelligence is a single algorithm is created such that it can separate all the images of all the types of birds present in the album. The system simply has to be fed with basic identifying features of the birds, such as the shape of the body. Birds have more streamlined body, the presence of the beaks, which are a unique feature, feathers and wings, right? Now, using this information, the system will automatically isolate the images of the birds from those of other animals, right? With time, it will identify various hidden patterns also about the features mentioned in the original algorithm. So here, what is happening? As and when more data is being entered into the machine learning model, it is evolving and it is making its algorithm more and more powerful. Such as, what will happen is, now there will be more differences in colors of the feathers, differences in the shapes of the beaks. Everything will be identified, and using such patterns, the system will also be able to classify the identified images into various categories, which we did not even actually want. For instance, what was initially this, what you are seeing on the screen, would later become like this. Okay, so here not only the birds are getting segregated, but also the types, all black birds in a row, all brown birds in a row, like that. So over a period of time, what will happen is the program will become more and more powerful, and it will reach a pinnacle where it will become artificially intelligent. This is how machine language works.